She loved to see success of young people. She loved to help young people. Lizzie did not love lazy young people. Alipenda tu kuwaita, anawaongeleshea. Today I'm giving out this tribute spoken word piece because Liz always was giving us pieces of advice. Thank you, Mom.
It's been a long way without you, Mama, and I tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way without you, my friend, and I tell you all about it when I see you again.
Kitu moja Liza alitufunza, umoja ni nguvu, utengano ni udhaifu. Peke yangu siwezi, ebu nisaidie.
I know it's painful to accept that she's normal, but it's normal. Madam Liz, truly, she has done wonders. She was always a shoulder to lean on. She was also talking and taking us as her kids. If you knock at her door, she always opened. She advised us to be heroes and heroines. Personally, I am celebrating Liz as a legend, shujaa wa kila wakati. Discipline ilikuwa top notch kwake. Madam alikuwa stress doctor. Madam alikuwa, and still she is a mentor. Madam alikuwa source of happiness. She was God chosen. Unajua kwa nini? Wengi wetu tulikuwa headband, yani vichwa ngumu, but tukifika hapa tunapata tu tumechange all of a sudden.
Nibs, we are mourning, but the whole country is mourning. Enyewe tumepoteza warrior. If it is not for Liz, many of us could be useless. But because of her, many of us, we are useful. Personally, before nikuje Nibs, I was a fool. But now look at me, I'm full of praise just because of Madam Liz. Liz amefanya watu wengi wapate future. Liz amepanguza wazazi wengi machozi. Liz amefanya familia mingi zikuwe successful. Liz amefanya familia mingi zipate unga. Mimi nimekosa maneno ya kumwambia asante.
If you follow Madam Liz Wanyoike footsteps, you will not be lost. Last thing I can ask you, did you love Liz? Did you love Liz? Did we love Liz?
Yes, we did.
Madam Liz alikuwa sensitive ikikuja ni kwa character. Every day, make sure you have a good character. Let me mention her character traits. She was loving, she was kind, she was caring, she was there for everyone. Say one word to her. Say one word to her.
She was a teacher. She was a mother. She was loving. She was kind. She was... I have no word to say to her. She alikuwa mzuri kwa sisi wote. We loved you. But God has loved you more till we meet again. Kitu ya mwisho naweza kumbuka kwa mom alitupostia. Ebu mark your Bible at Mark 11 verse 24. Inasema, whatever you ask for in a prayer, believe that you have received. Mimi leo prayer hizi ni graduate na milango zangu zifunguke. Akuachia hapo akasema, may God answer all you have prayed for. Alafu akatuish have a wonderful Sunday. Hizo ndizo maneno zake za mwisho. Kuna watu walipita hiyo post, kuna watu wali blue tick, kuna watu wali grey tick. Lakini sai make sure like to I like what she have done to us.
Let us be upstanding and sing this song once more time to her. Just from your heart, you think just sing this song. Just sing this song to her. It's been a long way without you, mama, and I tell you all about it when I see you again. Can I hear your voices? Without you, a friend, and I tell you all about it when I see you. It's been a long way, it's been a long way without you, a friend, and I tell you all about it when I see you. One more time, it's been a long way, it's been a long without you, mama, without you, mama. And I tell you all about it when I see you. One more time, it's been a long way, it's been a long way without you. And I tell you all, and I tell you all about it when I see you. Oh, 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 oh. One more time, let's sing again. Oh, oh, yeah.
That was our stawad. My name is Sarah Karaoke.
Thank you very much. Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Tuwapigie makofi tena. So next, Lizzie Wanyoike, scholarship beneficiary. Wale ambao wali benefit from the scholarship. Tuharakishe tafadhali because of the interest of time. You have just 1 minute because of the interest of time.
Before you are the Lizzie Wanyoike beneficiaries. I just have one word to all of us, that success is always sweet when you share that bread with someone else. Therefore, our mom paid our bills in hospitals. There are so many people that our mom touched. From the students who are about to drop out, from the students in secondary schools, from the churches. We have seen her pay bills to different hospitals like Kenyatta, Mama Lucy, several places. She has bought motorbikes for so many people. And therefore, I'll just read a tribute about Mom. As we gather in remembrance of a remarkable woman who touched our lives in immeasurable ways, we, the beneficiary of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike Foundation, come together to express our heartfelt gratitude to Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's dedication to education and our unwavering support that have paved the way for countless dreams and flourish. In tributes, we share our stories of transformation and honor of a woman whose foundation made our dedication, aspiration, businesses, lives to be a success. We are who we are today because of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike.
Madam Lizzie Wanyoike was more than a benefactor. She was a beacon of hope for those of us who might not have seen a way forward in pursuing our education. Her foundation became a lighthouse, guiding us through financial challenges and ensuring that education, the key to our future, remain within reach. Madam Lizzie believes in the transformative power of education, was the driving force behind her foundation. Through her generosity, she not only provided financial assistance, but also empowered us to dream beyond our circumstances. Her support wasn't just about finding it, it was about instilling the confidence that education could break the chains of limitation.
Daktari Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation went beyond monetary assistance. It extended a compassionate hand that lifted us during moments of doubt. Her genuine interest in our academic and personal well-being created a support system that transcended financial aid. We were not just recipients, we were embraced as part of a larger family, and our foundation became a symbol of solidarity and encouragement. Today, as beneficiaries of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation, we stand as living testimonies to the impact of her philanthropy. From classroom to careers, her investment in our education has borne fruits, enabling us to pursue our passion, contribute to society, and strive for a brighter future. In expressing our gratitude, words often feel inadequate to capture the anonymity of the impact Madam Lizzie had on our lives. Her foundation wasn't just funding education, it was investing in human potential, resilience, and the belief that every student, regardless of her financial constraints, deserves the chance to shine.
Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation remains a living legacy, shaping future